Hello everyone and welcome to our video today where we're going to explore the secret to Tony Robbins' motivational success. Tony Robbins is one of the most renowned and successful motivational speakers and self-help authors in the world. He's helped millions of people around the globe to unlock their full potential and achieve their dreams. But what makes Tony Robbins so successful? Let's find out for ourselves before moving on to our topic.
You win is find a way to add more what? Value than anyone else has added. If you do more for others than anybody else consistently, you will win, you will dominate, you will build a brand. But if you allow yourself to only do so much, the person you cheat is you. I interviewed Coach John Wooden. Does anybody remember Coach Wooden? Yeah. I interviewed him 3 times over my lifetime, and I had the last live interview before he died. He died a week later. And so I got to know him over almost 20 years. And he taught me something I never forget. I asked him the best team he ever had. What was the greatest, most successful team he ever had? The one he believed was the finest group of people, the most successful. And I thought he was going to say, some of you are old enough to remember Lou Alcindor, became Jabbar, and all these guys, and they won 88 games in a row. I mean, this is not like the Chicago Bulls. Every year he has new players. So they have victories where you win 10 out of 12 national NCAA championships. No one's ever done it, no one ever will again. How do he do that? Because he built men, he built people instead of just ball players. And he would not tolerate less than absolute optimum energy from anyone. He didn't have how good skills were. He said skill will be dwarfed by effort. And we forget today about effort. You all want to be strategic, which is so valuable, but it's the energy. And he said, I said, so what team? He picks this team. I never heard of them. I said, why? He said, because they maximize the potential. The team that won 88 games in a row did not maximize it. I said, wow. He said, Tony, there's only one definition of success. He said, for me, I taught every one of the players that came to work for me that you cannot control that score, but you can influence it. And there are going to be days when the score will be higher and the score will be lower. So the only way you're going to know if you won or not is did you give every ounce of your soul every moment you were on that court with not an ounce, not a minute, not a second of exception. Because if you give everything you have every moment you're in the game, 99, 95, 90, 80% of the time you're on the highest score. Sometimes someone will get lucky, the ball will drop, a bad call will happen, but only you. He said, but if you have the highest score, it doesn't mean you won. It only means you won if you gave everything you have. Because in life, what we give is what we keep forever. What we fail to give, we lose. And that's how I play. And I bet that's how you play a good deal of the time. The question is, can you get yourself to do all the time? Because if you do it all the time, you won't be doing 100 million. You'll be doing billions, and more importantly, you'll be the owner.
Tony Robbins' approach to motivation is based on the belief that true motivation comes from within. He believes that every individual has the power to be motivated and to achieve their goals. Rather than providing a quick fix or temporary boost of energy, Tony's approach focuses on helping people to tap into their inner drive and passion. By doing so, individuals are able to find the long-lasting motivation that fuels their progress and success. Tony's approach is about empowering people to take control of their own lives and achieve their full potential. Tony Robbins' mastery of human psychology is a key factor in his success as a motivational speaker and author. He recognizes that people are complex beings with different emotions, motivations, and behaviors. By studying human behavior and psychology for years, he has gained valuable insights into how people think and feel. This knowledge enables him to connect with people on a deep level, and he uses this connection to inspire and motivate them. By tapping into their emotions and values, Tony is able to create a powerful emotional connection that drives people to take action and achieve their goals. This ability to understand and connect with people is a hallmark of Tony's motivational approach and is a major factor in his continued success. Tony Robbins is an expert in goal setting, and his approach is highly effective in helping people to achieve their dreams. He emphasizes the importance of setting clear, achievable, and measurable goals that align with an individual's values and passions. Tony teaches that having a clear vision and purpose is critical to success, and he helps people to identify their true desires and ambitions. He provides practical and actionable goal-setting techniques that have helped millions of people to overcome obstacles and achieve their dreams. Tony's approach is all about taking action and making progress toward goals, and his goal-setting strategies provide individuals with the tools they need to succeed. Tony Robbins' mastery of communication is one of the main reasons he is such an effective motivational speaker. He has a powerful and dynamic speaking style that engages and inspires his audience. Tony uses a variety of techniques, such as storytelling, humor, and audience participation, to keep his audience engaged and motivated throughout his talks. He also understands the importance of body language and tone of voice in conveying his messages effectively, and he uses these tools to great effect. Whether speaking to a large audience or a small group, Tony has a gift for connecting with people and inspiring them to take action toward their goals. His ability to communicate effectively is an essential component of his motivational approach and has contributed to his success as a speaker and author. Tony Robbins believes that taking action is critical to achieving success. He emphasizes that motivation without action is meaningless, and encourages people to take small steps toward their goals every day. Tony believes that consistency is key and that taking action, even in the face of obstacles and setbacks, is what ultimately leads to success. His approach is all about empowering people to take control of their own lives and to believe in their ability to achieve their dreams. Tony's focus on action is a key component of his motivational approach and has inspired millions of people to take action toward their goals and achieve success. So, there you have it, the secret to Tony Robbins' motivational success. Tony's approach is all about helping people to tap into their inner motivation, understand human psychology, set clear goals, communicate effectively, and take action. He has inspired millions of people around the world to live their best lives, and his teachings continue to transform lives every day. We hope that you found this video helpful, and we encourage you to apply Tony's teachings to your own life. Remember, you have the power to achieve your dreams, and with the right mindset and actions, anything is possible. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.